Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best coffee warmer battery on the market, the KitchekShop Coffee Mug Warmer. Whether you're working from home, at the office, or just relaxing, this device promises to keep your coffee, tea, or any hot beverage warm from the first sip to the last, and it does so with impressive speed and efficiency. Right off the bat, what sets this coffee warmer apart is its unparalleled heating speed. It's designed to deliver heat faster than most competitors, reaching the highest temperature quickly so your drink stays perfectly warm without having to constantly reheat. The heating plate itself is generously sized, accommodating a variety of cup sizes and materials, from glass and ceramic to stainless steel. Just keep in mind that a flat or thin-bottomed mug will give you the best results in terms of heat transfer. One of the standout features is the 4 customizable temperature settings. You can choose between 131 degrees, 145 degrees, 167 degrees, and even as high as 185 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows you to personalize your drink's warmth depending on whether you prefer a gentle heat or a piping hot beverage. It's ideal for coffee lovers who want their drink just right, and it works great with tea, hot chocolate, milk, and more. Safety and convenience are also top priorities with this warmer. It includes a smart auto shut-off timer that you can set anywhere from 1 hour up to 12 hours. This means you don't have to worry about leaving it on by accident. It'll power down automatically to save energy and keep your space safe. This timer feature is perfect for those long work sessions or cozy reading marathons when you want to keep sipping without the risk of overheating or wasting power. The KitchekShop Coffee Mug Warmer also comes with a stylish coaster, adding a touch of sophistication to your desk or coffee nook. This coaster isn't just for looks, it helps keep your space tidy and adds an extra layer of protection for your surfaces. Whether you're gifting this to a friend or treating yourself, it's a neat addition that elevates the entire coffee experience. With a compact footprint measuring just under 7 inches by 5.4 inches and only about an inch tall, it fits comfortably on any desk or kitchen counter without taking up much space. It's powered by a corded electric source with 110 volts, so it's designed for use primarily in the US, but keep in mind it may require a voltage converter for use in other countries. In terms of power consumption, the unit runs at 50 watts, balancing fast heating capability with reasonable energy use. This makes it practical for everyday use without significantly impacting your electricity bill. To sum it up, the KitchekShop Coffee Mug Warmer is a thoughtfully designed, efficient, and stylish product that lives up to its claim as the best coffee warmer battery. Its rapid heating, versatile temperature options, long timer range, and safety auto shut-off combine to deliver a reliable and convenient way to keep your beverages warm for hours. If you're someone who enjoys sipping on a warm cup of coffee or tea throughout your day without constantly reheating, this product is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we help you find the best products to enhance your everyday life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and deep dives. See you in the next video.